Here we are with Jenn's Impreza. We're girling it up even more. We're using, these are black that Jenn painted. What's color?
Magenta.
Magenta. Looks pink or purple to me, so magenta. Self-tapping screws, and you gotta take the tire off. So we're gonna go do it on your side. Always watch out for jacks. Shout out to Mike.
Hi, Mike.
Tools you're gonna need. This guy. A mud flap. OEM. No, it's not OEM. This is a
Pro Flash.
Pro Flash from Canadian Tire. Model 4. It's a left side, so it actually tells you left and right.
Yep.
So there's left right there.
It did come with screws, but they are not self-tappers, and they didn't work with the actual pre-existing holes in my vehicle.
Yeah. So the thing with non-OEM stuff, it's never gonna work. So self-tappers. You need that. You're gonna need a 8mm socket on a little drill. And, oh, Mike's got a big bar. He's pointing at me like making signs. Oh yeah, I gotta do it to the other side. So because we already did it.
Wait till you set it down.
I wanna do it now, it's more fun.
No, it has to be down.
I know. All right, so let's take it off. Do we all remember what size of the socket it is?
Subaru 17.
Is it a 17? Mike, 17?
No.
19?
3/4 inch.
Right, it's packed. I think it's a 17 or something right now.
Ooh, that's gonna suck. I'm not putting my hand under there.
17 would be BMW jump.
Oh, it's Volkswagen.
Volkswagen. Badge. It's all the badge. The badge takes the 17s.
So yes, Jenn still has winter tires. So Jenn's still running on her winters because she wants to do her all seasons by herself.
Yeah. I need to get to the DIY garage or find a friend.
That has a tire machine.
And balancer.
And balancer. Okay, so now that we're off, we're also in the middle of the road. I really don't care.
Yep.
Get yourself a couple of self-tappers. We grab like 4 or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So I'll get you going the other side. So what we're gonna do now is place that. Mike, can I get your eyeball, sir?
Can go up a lot more.
All right.
Push it in.
How does that look, Jenn?
A little crooked.
A lot of crooked?
A little bit crooked.
Well, I can't see it.
Actually, it's not too bad there.
Are we sure?
Yeah.
We're positive?
Yeah.
That's why I asked to see if we get a third opinion.
Mike's disappeared.
Mike's probably gone inside.
He's probably like, this is too girly for me.
See, the issue is, Mike was here to help Jenn. Mike was here to help Jenn when she did it. So I could have filmed, but now I gotta figure out how to put this on a socket that doesn't fit. Hold it up at the same time. No, too high. All right, so we're gonna pause this video right here. We're gonna put the first one in, and then we're gonna come back. All right, so we got a third person in. Shout out to Mike. I had to go stand over there and measure, and Jenn held, and Mike put 2 screws in, just because we want to make sure that it's equal length, right? So now we're gonna put a screw in the middle, and we're gonna pull it right in the back so it tucks it in. So I'm gonna start with this one first.
Straight between the other two, huh?
Yes, sir. Without missing, because the thing is, you miss, you can make a hole. So that's nice. So then the third one, like I said,
Just hold it nice and...
actually the fourth one. Yeah, we're gonna go right into here. Right. Right down there. Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah, did not go through. So, 4, what do you call it again?
Self-tappers?
Self-tappers. 8mm socket. Cordless drill.
Now we gotta put a tire on.
But no, because Mike wants to show the difference between one tire and the other. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna keep that for a different video. So this one here was just to show you how to install mud flaps.
Yep.
And here's the thing, I notice a lot of people have cars, they don't modify them at all. Why not? I say modify everything. If it's yours, make it yours.
Yep.
Right, Jen?
Oh, of course. It's like those. They're black. I painted them.
Exactly. You did a great job. So yeah, subscribe, like, comment, and we'll catch you later.